friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking spicy zucchini in the air fryer. For this recipe, I'm going to have 2 zucchini and seasonings. I'm using olive oil, you can use any kind of vegetable oil, and I'm going to use salt, garlic powder, and red pepper. So first I'm going to cut zucchini into pieces. So I'll just cut off the ends and throw them out. And now I will cut zucchini in half. And we'll cut each half into other half. And cut it into pieces. So now once I cut the zucchini, I'm going to season it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil and sprinkle the seasonings, salt, garlic powder, and red pepper. So just if you don't want it to be too spicy, use a little bit, and if you want it to be really spicy, use a lot. That's up to you. And now let's toss it to make sure that zucchini is coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and put zucchini in the air fryer. And put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake zucchini to make sure it cooks evenly. And let the air fryer finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the spicy zucchini. Look at that, it looks amazing, so nicely browned. Looks delicious. I'm going to take it out of the air fryer. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. It's very tender. See, it pierces so easily with a fork. So tender, so spicy, so full of flavor, healthy and delicious. You're going to love this spicy air fryer zucchini. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!